Hi guys, it's Tonya and welcome back to my channel. I have another quick review slash install for you guys because it's yet another glueless wig. And this is another one from Luvme Hair. Love, love, love. Like I said before, their packaging. Before I get into the wig, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified anytime I upload new content, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram where I post more pictures and more videos showing off the. Let's go ahead and open her up. I love their packaging. It's so chic, so like luxurious. It's such an experience opening the package as well as getting the wig and trying it on. Luvme Hair understands that the packaging is also part of receiving the wig experience. So this is the wig that I have. It's a 10-inch curly unit. She's a side part. Oops, let me get all this stuffing off and show you the cap construction. So as you can see, she's basically a side parts wig. It has the lace around the temples. It looks like it's about from here to here. Again, she is glueless, so she has the band on the inside. She has adjustable straps, a comb in the back, 2 combs on the side. So she's gonna be secured. With your Luvme wig, you're also going to receive a storage bag, a little message that says, enjoy your hair journey from now on, Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair. You also get a makeup bag, a travel makeup bag that says Luvme, a band, what is it, a lace melting band, a comb, edge comb, and a bonnet. So, oh, and a wig caps. So you get all this lovely gifts along with your purchase, along with a user's guide. It'll tell you how to take care of your wig. So let me go ahead and plop her on the mannequin head behind me, and we can go ahead and get her styled up before applying her. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and style the wig. I'm going to saturate it completely with just some plain water. That's all I have in my water bottle is water, no oils, no nothing. And you just want to get it completely wet. Once it's completely wet, you want to go ahead and brush it through. I'm using my paddle brush. You can use a Denman brush or a brush specifically for curly hair. And then you're going to want to take a wrapping mousse or a foaming mousse, and you want to just go ahead and saturate the hair with that too. This mousse has a little bit of hold to it, so you will feel like there is a hold to your curls once it dries, but it's not a crunchy, annoying feel, if you get what I mean. So yeah, you can just go ahead and throw this wig on. I'm adjusting the straps right here, the hook straps in the back, and then I'm just going to go ahead and throw her on. Like, look how simple this is, guys. 1, 2, 3, just adjust it to your natural hairline, and there you go. Like, that's it. Look how flawlessly you can lift it up, put it back down, and it's the same. I'm just going to take my hot comb to push the hairline back, just so it's not like falling in my eyes and my face, because for me that's annoying. But I'm just going to go ahead and take my hot comb on 10 and just push the hair back out of my face. But look how this stays on. I love glueless wigs. It's effortless, so easy. Throw it on and go. If you're looking for an easy throw on and go everyday wig, this is perfect for you. And this part is optional. I'm just putting some concealer in the lace parting so that it could be more prominent. But that's totally optional. You don't have to. It looks great without it. This part is also optional. I'm adding some, like a little baby hair swoop right here. That's just me. I like my baby hairs, but I wanted to add a little swoop right there. You don't have to, but it's so easy to do so I wanted to show you guys. Okay guys, I'm back. I hope you enjoyed that video showing you the wig, the install, and all of that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the details. This is a 10-inch curly glueless lace wig from Luvme Hair. It is a side part. You cannot, it's not like a 4x4 or 5x5. So the part is where the part is going to be. It also has ear tabs, so you can secure it more on your head if you would like. It has the regular adjustable straps that a usual, like the typical wigs come with, along with some combs, two in the front, one in the back. And it also has an extra secure, like headband secured, what's the word I'm looking for? An extra headband strap sewn inside for extra security. So this wig is not going nowhere. It's very easy to style, as you saw. All you got to do is wet it and throw on some mousse and it curls right up. It's nice and bouncy still. I'm going to show you the back. And this is what 10-inch looks like. I am 5'2". I don't really think it matters when it comes to only the head area. But yeah, 10 inches usually falls like right above the shoulders. Very like great for the summertime. You know, it's been getting hot really fast around the US right now. So if you're looking for a wig that's going to not be all on your neck, not be all down your back, this is definitely the wig for you. I love the color. Nice ombre effect with the dark roots going into the, I guess, honey blonde. I would say like a color 30 for the color for the curls. Very, very pretty. She is $139 and some change. I do see like right now they have a $30 off if you spend a certain amount or more. And then for me, I have a personal code, which is Verde, VERDE, for 25% off your order. That will bring the wig total down to like a 104 and some change. Get this wig. This is a very affordable, very easy, very beginner friendly. If you don't really understand or know how to apply wigs, definitely go ahead and hop on this. This is one of those throw on and goes and nobody's gonna know. I did add a little bit of baby hairs here, but otherwise, as you can see, I did not add baby hairs anywhere else, and you can see how flawless the hairline is. Guys, yeah, this is a must-have. Like, I didn't think I was gonna like it as much, but I really like it. I did add some layers in the front just to like frame around my eyes so my eyes weren't being covered, but no, I definitely love this unit. Let me show you how bouncy she is. She's almost dry. She's maybe like 90% dry. So this is how the curls are gonna be. It's probably gonna get a little bit bigger, but yeah, she's super cute. This is great, and this unit, like the style is great for all age groups. I know I don't look it, I'm 37. This is a great mom wig for me. This is great for older women. This is great for younger women. Like, yeah, this is a very versatile wig if you want to get a gift. You know, I know the next holiday is Easter. Then there's Mother's Day. So, man, if you were looking for a wig to purchase for your auntie, your mother, your sister, your baby mom, your wife, you got this. This is it for you. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again, and God bless.